I'm just alternating the buttermilk mixture I made and the cake flour, salt, baking soda, baking powder mixture. Starting with the dry and ending with the dry. I got my blueberry compote over here cooling off while we make the cake batter. Okay, I divided the cake batter into 2 sprayed pans, and we're gonna add in our blueberry compote. Blueberry compote in the cake batter, and now I'm gonna swirl. Okay, we got the blueberry compote swirled. So pretty. We're gonna put it in the oven 350 for about 25 to 30 minutes, but we'll do a toothpick check at about the 25-minute mark. So we put a layer of frosting on one of the layers and some fruit on top. And now we're gonna add the second layer. Nothing but blue skies, a totally peaceful mind. Never need a second try.